Introduction to EGMi, hands-off practice using body parts. Next, we will work on individual body parts. This allows us to focus consciousness on more specific areas, to balance consciousness more effectively. If you have a basic knowledge of anatomy, this will be good. If not, get out an anatomy book and check out positions of body parts as you listen to the recording without practicing. If you draw circles around these body parts, you will see they form areas. It's not about exact position, more about areas. Mindfulness often grids the body into small squares and you focus on these. I find the chakra and body part system more useful. We will start back at the third eye chakra. We will now split the brain into 7 areas. Right brain and right amygdala. This area is behind the right eye. This is the area that often lights up on a functional MRI in people with anxiety and depression. When consciousness is focused on this area, we may feel tension in the solar plexus area, where we often feel anxiety. This will pass. Left brain, left amygdala, behind the left eye. The left brain is associated with positive logical thought. We will learn to use this area more. Left front brain, above the left eye. This area is associated with happy thought and can improve mood when stimulated with electric or magnetic machinery. Right front brain, above the right eye. Right rear brain at the base of the skull on the right side. Left rear brain at the base of the skull on the left side. Brain stem at the rear base of the skull where the neck joins. This area is associated with OCD, along with the right brain. The exact areas and technical names are not important, as we are all a little different. What this allows with practice is for us to focus energy on these areas. We can move and balance consciousness, even move it from one area to another, to shift consciousness where we want it. Also to concentrate healing energy on these areas, slowly changing genetics. Science is recognizing small genetic changes can be made this way. Identical twins born with the same genetics can have slightly different brain genetics later in life. This may sound daunting, but with practice, it's just like falling off a log. The consciousness seems to want to do this. It almost knows where to go on its own. To gain better control of the mind is to be able to override genetics and environment, a truly evolved human. We will then move to the cervical spine or neck, down shoulders to the fingers, back up to the neck, down the spine. We will cover all major organs and systems and end up with consciousness balance with every cell in the body. This complete practice can be done in 20 minutes. Once mantras are learned, we use mantras all the way through, guiding consciousness and reinforcing our purpose to increase goodness, energy efficiency, and reduce fear and anxiety. To be our true self, mind, body, and soul in balance and harmony. As with chakras, we should move the energy with the mind. The mantra should give it a push and strengthen the interaction. Now try EGMi hands-off practice using body parts on the next track.